Hello kids! Welcome to our fun English class. Today we are going to learn something very important in grammar. Nouns. Do you know, we use nouns every single day when we speak. So let's learn together in a fun and easy way. Are you ready? Say yes. Let's start with a simple question. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Let's say it together. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Very good. Now let's understand each one with examples. First, person. Person. A person is a human being. Examples: teacher, doctor, boy, girl. If you are a boy or a girl, you are also a noun. Next, place. A place is where we go. Examples: school, park, home. Where do you go to study? School. That's a noun. Now, animal. Animals are living creatures. Examples: dog, cat, elephant. If you have a pet at home, that is also a noun. Finally, thing. Things are objects we can see or touch. Examples: book, ball, table. Look around you. Can you see a book or a toy? Those are nouns too. Let's revise. A noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing. Great job! Now let's learn about types of nouns. Proper noun. A proper noun is a special name. Examples: Ria, India, Delhi. These names always start with a capital letter. Common noun. A common noun is a general name. Examples: girl, city, country. Countable noun. Countable nouns can be counted. Examples: 1 apple, 2 books. Uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Examples: water, milk. Now let's see nouns in sentences. Listen carefully. The dog is playing. Ria is going to school. Can you find the nouns? Dog, Ria, and school all are nouns. Quiz time. Get ready. Question 1. The blank is barking. I drink blank every day. Pause and think. Correct answer: the dog is barking. Dog. And I drink milk every day. Great job! Let's recap one last time. A noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing. And we learned different types of nouns too. You did an amazing job today. Now you know what nouns are. Keep practicing and learning every day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.